Hi friends, in this video we are going to learn how to convert any JPG image to any transparent PNG image. To do this, first of all you have to download the app Background Remover. You can search BG Remove. Click on the third app. If you don't want to install the app, you can also use their website. Just go to the Chrome browser and search here BG Remove. Open the first website. Now here you have to upload the video or any image that you want to convert in PNG. I'm just selecting this arrow. Now you can see that it is converted to the PNG transparent. You can also change its background or either you can download it as it is. Just click on the download button and click again download. Now your file is downloaded. So following this method you can convert any image to PNG transparent or you can remove any image background by this website. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe our channel and press the bell icon.